All right, here at Cam, we're going to show you our variety pack mixing solution. So we're going into a stand-up pouch. So this is perfect for meat sticks, hydration packs. We start with our 1LR switchback SB. We have a large hopper here where the inbound product goes into. You can connect right into your thermoform machine. We singulate the parts at high speed. So we bring them over the top shelf, separate them down, switch them back to on the bottom. Running about 216 pieces per minute. There's two side by side. They obviously fall off if we're only looking for individuals. Since we have individuals, we can do inspections if that is required. We have them just coming straight down the raceway here. We count them, we group them. We've got two levels of control so that we always have a charge ready. We're going to land them orientated into the pitch of this incline conveyor. We come up the conveyor, we control them, still orientated, into the transfer device to vertically drop them into the pre-made pouch, so that all the meat sticks or hydration packs will be staying vertically in the pouch. We can then heat seal it, and then we can go through a check weigher, metal detector, whatever else you need. So if you put 4 of those singulators side by side, we would create a variety pack of 4. 1 flavor per feeder. Let us know how we can help you with your variety packs and even just stick packs vertically into a pouch. We obviously know how to do it.